welcome back to Serenity Says. Today we are here again with...
Gage.
Yeah! We are here again with Gage.
Last second!
Oh! Dang it.
Okay.
I died.
We did?
Yeah. Johnny is a seeker. Try not to get found. Okay, so we are playing Don't Press the Button. Not number 2, not number 3, not number 4. Just original.
Yep.
Diamond!
Quick, don't move.
Oh, oops.
You died!
I didn't see that! I was just trying to get the gold. Diamond.
Well, I stole it.
Oh.
Wait, it's a purple house. Where's purple? There it is.
Mine is yellow. Where's yellow? Yellow! Okay, I found yellow.
Okay.
Woo!
Everyone deliver pizza.
Survive the lava spinner.
Yeet! 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 Oh! Is it just everyone has to survive as long as they can?
Yeah, I think so. No! Dang it.
Oh, until everyone dies.
Press the button. Wait, no, don't press the button. The chef is missing the ingredient to make cake. Find it. Find
Well,
the
everyone is
ingredient.
just going after one.
No!
Yay. He's just, Cake.
Woo! Trampoline!
I'm gonna be pressing the button. I pressed the button.
I like singing. I like dancing.
Oh no!
Oh! Find the correct pad.
Find the correct pad.
Yay!
Oh. Did you get coins for it?
I don't know. Huh? What does it say?
Red light, green light. Bro, what was yellow light?
I don't know.
That's so big!
Yellow light, I think, will tell you that. Oh!
I made it to the end.
Green light. Yellow light. Green light. Woo!
No, bacon.
Bacon! Bacon hair, I'm so sorry, but I don't think you're gonna make it.
10,
8, 7, 6, 5. Yay! Everyone made it. I got 10 coins. Get to the button, get to the button. Nah! I died.
You died?
Yeah.
Comes out here.
Okay. 3 more after this because my storage is gonna run out, I think. Like 3, 4. We can't do too much.
Okay, then we can try the black.
Oh, we're playing dodgeball.
You're on. Who's that bear?
Dang it, I died. Ah.
That's not fair. There was not an equal side.
It's because there's too many people in the game. We gotta do it again. Dude, get back in the game. Come back. It's over. Okay.
It's because there's not equal amount of people.
Yeah.
It's the dumbest thing.
Hurry, 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 hurry. Someone got pushed off. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh, guess what?
What?
Tomorrow is my first show.
Oh, cool.
Are you guys coming to any of my shows?
I don't know.
I'll have to ask my dad.
Hey, I got speed coral. I just forgot.
What?
Oh.
Oh!
I can't turn my camera.
Oh, dang it. Ah. Dang it. Where are you? Oh, here you are. Whoa! It was probably just a lag. I think it was a lag.
I didn't lag.
Wait, go to one of the corners.
Please don't be blue.
Oh, it was red.
Red's not gonna be the second time. 5, 4.
Ah. Are you kidding me?
That's no fair.
I think it chooses which one has the most players. I think that's why.
Let's keep going, red. Good job at no one surviving. Oh, come
dang.
on.
No, I hate this. Are you kidding me? Okay, guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Serenity out. Because I gotta go. My